hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. Okay guys, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and then on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. So without further delay, let's get started with today's video. Okay, you're finding me very cheerful, I know, because I am super duper excited today. And yes, before we get started, if you like this beautiful face, if you like how this face looks, then please do find the video in the description box. I have uploaded a video on how you could create this makeup look. Okay guys, so yes, without further delay, let's get started with today's video. So as you all know, it's about my haul from Purple. So as of now in Purple there is a sale going on which is called the Skin Station sale, but I didn't get it from the Skin Station sale, I got it from the Ganesh Chaturthi sale. So just to keep you informed guys, one of the great brands that is making sound in the YouTube world, as you all know, is from Good Vibes. And Good Vibes is a great brand. I have been using products from Good Vibes from a lot of time, and I guess I will be a permanent customer for Good Vibes. Along with their new launches and all that, they keep on upgrading their products, so it's a really great brand, I could say. So yes, I finish my monthly purchase immediately. The next day my cart will be full, and I keep checking my cart and the price literally every day. Okay, so one thing I have found out is that throughout the day the Purple's price would not change, the offers would not change. So morning after I'm done with my breakfast, the first thing I do is check my cart, the value of the cart, to see if what has changed. So on 25th last month, I happened to see that there was a huge discount because I had a lot of Good Vibes products, just like I told. So immediately I ordered everything from Purple and I got it delivered on 1st of September. So yeah, I don't want to eat your head a lot with all these stories. So let's get started with today's video guys. Let me keep you informed in the beginning. I don't have much products of makeup, but my major products would be from the skincare and the hair care. So as you can see, my hair is super duper thin and I am trying literally everything on my hair. So let's begin with the skincare first. So the first product that I have is the Alps Goodness Neem Powder. As you all guys know, neem is good for both skin and hair. So it's not particularly a hair care product, it's for both skincare and hair care. So I bought this product because it has a lot of antibiotic, antifungal properties. It's a great option. So you could expect a DIY maybe with this product. And yes, before I get started guys, let me give you a disclaimer as I give in all of my haul videos. This video that you are seeing is just to see what you could expect in future, not so that you will get super excited and buy all of the products that I have purchased. It's just a way to show you guys what reviews you might expect because I have these products with me. Okay, so yes, the first product is a neem powder. The next product that I have is the methi powder. This is the package of the neem variant. I actually had got 150 grams and the methi powder is just 50 grams. So let me tell you guys, when I ordered methi powder, I didn't know it's good for skin. I only thought it's good for hair and hence I had ordered methi powder. But once I purchased this, I got to know that it is rich in vitamin C, which is very good for your skin to glow. If you could see how well my skin is glowing. And So this is also a product that is good for both hair and skin. So I can try it on my face, no issues, because you know face packs require maximum of 1 spoon maximum. So it's still going to work. So yes, you can expect a DIY for hair care, skin care. I will have to do a detailed research on how it will work for the skin, but for hair care for sure you will find a video coming up soon. Okay guys, okay, so the next product, actually I have been using Pantene anti hair fall solution shampoo as well as the conditioner, but as of now, for the latest or as of lately, I felt like I should start changing my shampoo. I don't usually continuously use one particular shampoo. I keep changing my shampoo. So from Pantene I thought, let me try something. I was thinking of Mamaearth. Wow, I was not sure. I was actually thinking of some onion shampoo range, but luckily this is their new launch. I got Good Vibes Anti Hair Fall Onion Shampoo. This is really a good option, I guess, but I didn't find the conditioner. I don't know, maybe they didn't have it launched yet. But yes, this is a very good shampoo with no parabens and no animal testing. This is a 300 ml packaging and it is just for $2.99, but I got it at a discount. I guess I got 30% discount on this, which is around 90 rupees. 200 rupees is really a very good price for this shampoo, guys. The next product that I have, guys, as you all might be seeing my channel, if you are someone who is watching my channel from the beginning, I have always bought products from Purplle, but I was not sure if I should go for the Elite membership or no. So this time I was like, okay, let me give it a try, because Elite membership gives you a shopping range where you get free products as well, and minimum order of 149 you get free shipping, so you don't have to go for minimum 500 rupees shopping. Plus they were also offering, I had to pay 199 rupees for the membership. Along with that they were offering a free Good Vibes product, so I thought, why not? So yes, this argan conditioner was something I got it for free for signing up for the Elite membership. So this is how the packaging looks like, guys. And yes, you don't need the equal quantity of conditioner, because shampoo is something you use more than the conditioner, the quantity wise. So I thought 120 ml is a good quantity for me right now. Maybe with the shampoo I'll finish the conditioner as well. So this is the Argan conditioner, moisturizing conditioner. Let me see how well it works. The next product is just for stocking up. I am a fan of Biotech Bhringraj hair oil. So yes, I am about to finish my old bottle. Just so much of it is left, so I thought I will buy another one to keep it stocked up. I like to stock up things. I don't want to have that rush or search for a particular thing in the last moment. So that's why I bought this, guys. It's a Biotech Bhringraj anti-hair fall therapeutic oil for hair fall. So this is something again for hair fall. It's not that I have a very large hair fall, but I want even that little bit of hair fall to stop, so that my hair will start growing back. My hair. Okay. So here we have another hair growth pack. It is the Amla hair growth pack. If you guys know, Amla is one of those products that is really good for hair growth. So yes, from Vyam or Vyam, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Different places I have seen people pronounce it in different ways. So I'm not sure about the pronunciation, but it's Vyam or Vyam Ayurveda Amla. And the best part about this package, guys, and what I like very much about the Vyam Ayurveda packs, be it face pack, be it hair pack, is the packaging. Oh my god, it's amazing. Look at this small steel dabba. See this. and it's just for 100 rupees. You get the product as well as the steel dabba, which is really nice, which is really good. I love this thing about YM Ayurveda. So yes, this is the next product, and you will see a few hair masks or hair packs this time. Already one is done. The next product I have is a new launch from Good Vibes. So I thought let me try it, because anyways my hair serum I used to use from L'Oreal is over, and the hair serum I'm using from Bartik is quite a different type of hair serum. You are supposed to apply it on the scalp. So I thought of getting something that could add volume to my hair. So I tried this Good Vibes Plus hair serum. That is made from argan and almond. Both are good for your hair, by the way. So this is how it looks like. So the next product, guys, is this Hanti hair fall cream. It's not a hair pack, I guess. I have not used this as well, but this is the first time I would be using. Yes, it is Hanti hair fall cream. You're supposed to apply it from the root to tip and massage on the scalp with the fingers to spread them for better results. Use daily. I have to research on this, guys. I'm not sure if you're supposed to apply it before or after your hair wash. It smells amazing, guys. It's awesome. The smell is awesome. But the thing is, guys, this product, I don't know, I think they have filled it too much. It's all over the lid, and I don't know. Let's see it. The next product I have here is the banana hair mask from the House of Good Vibes again. This is how it looks like. The quantity you get is 200 grams, and this is how the packaging looks like. I mean, look at Good Vibes products, guys. The packagings are so super duper classy, and the price is also not expensive. It's in the affordable price, affordable range that you get this Good Vibes products. The product was actually priced at $4.99. But guess what? In the sale, I got it for just 350 rupees, which was like amazing deal, right? I got it for 354 rupees, and the deal was amazing. I just loved it. So yes, guys, I guess that's all for the hair care. I'm done with the hair care range. I feel that this video is going quite long, lengthy, and I know even you guys will be bored. So let's do one thing. You just subscribe to my channel, follow me on my channel by hitting on the bell icon, and tomorrow I will be uploading the skincare haul. Maybe 1 or 2 products related to makeup as well. So stay tuned to my channel to view the latest updated video on the skincare. So until then, guys, bye bye, take care, love you all.